This is going to blow your mind. Ever thought a chatbot could make your resume stand out? Well, it can! First things first, ChatGPT can help you organize your resume sections. Need a strong summary? Just ask. It'll whip up a captivating intro that grabs recruiters' attention. Next, let's talk bullet points. Struggling to describe your skills? ChatGPT can turn your job duties into punchy, impactful statements. Just provide your responsibilities and watch it work its magic. And what about layout? Whether you're a creative soul or a straight-to-the-point pro, ChatGPT can suggest the best format for your field. Classic, modern, or somewhere in between. It's got you covered. Finally, let's not forget those extras like hobbies and volunteer work. ChatGPT can weave these into your resume, showing you're well-rounded and dedicated. So why stress over your resume? Give ChatGPT a try and take your job application game to the next level. Happy job hunting!